Hi everyone, today I'd like to share with you some common words in the Malagasy language. But first of all, you should know that words in Malagasy language are a bit complicated to write. However, they are much less difficult to pronounce. So don't be afraid when you see the spelling. Let's start. Manaon, which is written like this but pronounced Manaon, means hello. The same goes for salam. So you can say Manaone or salame to say hello. To say goodbye, it's felum. Felume. To say thank you, say misoch. Misoche. Tmisfsoran. To say you're welcome. Tmisfsoran. Tmisfsorano. To say sorry, please, or excuse me, it's azafadi. Azafadi. To say yes, originally it's in, so you can say in, but in everyday language, we often say ye. Are you okay? Ye, I'm okay. To say no, it's officially tsia. Tsia, but in everyday life, you'll hear many people say ah. To say good or fine or well, it's tsar. Tsar. You can add be to say that it is very good. So that is tsarabe. To say bad or not good, it's rats. And to say very bad or really not good, it's ratsbe. Rats or ratsbe. When it comes to food in particular, to say that it is good, we say matsir. Matsir or matsirbe to say that it is very good. You can also say tsarabe, but matsir is more specific to food. The meal is called sakaf. Sakaf for the meal. That's all for this video. Let me know if you want more like this. Bye!